Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can uninstall the Microsoft Store apps on your Windows. So please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So simply click on the Start button and then click on Settings. So on the left pane in the list of options, you need to look for Apps. Click on Installed Apps, that is the first option right here. And wait for all the applications to load. So these are all the applications in my Windows. Now we need to look for the Microsoft Store applications or the Microsoft applications. Now let's simply scroll down. So how can you know that that is an application that is downloaded from the Microsoft Store? You will notice that there is a Microsoft Corporation under that application. There is a Microsoft Corporation under that application. So like this snipping tool, terminal, Microsoft Defender, Microsoft Clipchamp, Notepad. Unlike with this one right here, unlike with this, let's say for example, this Valorant, which is from Riot Games. So this application is not from the Microsoft Store. This is not downloaded from the Microsoft Store. So it doesn't have Microsoft Corporation under the application. Now let's scroll down and how we can uninstall the Microsoft Store applications. Simply click on these three dots that corresponds to it and then click on uninstall and then uninstall once again. Now we have uninstalled the sticky notes. And also click on the snipping tool, click on these three dots, select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Now once that is done, and also here's a good fact about applications that you have downloaded from the Microsoft Store or Microsoft Store applications is that you have this way to repair and reset it by clicking on this advanced options. And you have to click on repair and reset once this application is not working fine. So we have uninstalled the snipping tool and the sticky note. So how we can reinstall it again into our Windows if we want to. So simply open the Microsoft Store. So type here Store in the Windows search bar. Best match, click on that. Now here we just need to type sticky notes, the one that we have uninstalled earlier. Then click on the sticky notes. Then click on the first option, Microsoft Sticky Notes, and then click on this Get button. And you just have to wait for that to be installed again into your Windows. So once done, we need to download again the snipping tool. So simply just search for it in the search bar. Snipping tool, click on this. Then click on this first option and click on this Get button. So once done, just simply close this window. So I have shown you how you can uninstall the Microsoft Store apps, and I've also shown you that how you can reinstall it again into your system or into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.